Duraline was established in 1946 as a supplier of safety-engineered electrical distribution and temporary lighting systems to the U.S. Navy and commercial shipbuilding industry. Since then, we've grown to supply industries as diverse as mining, automotive, aviation, construction, petrochemicals and food processing to medical, entertainment, education, transportation, utility and telecommunications. Duraline products are made with pride right here in the USA. All molding, soldering, crimping and assembly operations are done on site at our Florida facility. In addition, we have the latest CNC lathe and milling machines to produce custom work on site. Tell us your needs. At Duraline, we're ready to exceed your expectations.
Made in the USA, a statement in 4 words that embodies hundreds of years of drive and dedication to a nation. That rugged determination fostered quality products necessary to thrive on our own.
In 1946, it cost 15 cents a gallon to fuel your car, and the shipbuilding industry in the Northeast was surging. J.B. Nottingham moved operations to Islip, New York, becoming the original supplier of safety-engineered electrical distribution and temporary lighting systems to the U.S. Navy.
John Scafani, current president and owner of what is now known as Duraline, relocated to Florida in 2012, taking advantage of a ready workforce and incentives that may or may not have included blue skies and palm trees of DeLand. Quality and service remains steadfast.
The world has evolved over the last 75 years, and Duraline's clients with it. Our engineers work with teams to fill aviation, entertainment, and shipyard ship-to-shore power, dress lighting, wind power, and power needs. The same standard that backs the defender of our coastlines backs electrical, lighting, and power demands of your industry.